How to find BSB and account number Westpac. To find your Westpac BSB, bank state branch, and account number, you can log into Westpac Online Banking or the Westpac app. Alternatively, you can find them on your bank statements. You can also use Westpac self-service telephone banking. Steps to find your BSB and account number. Online Banking Westpac app. Log into online banking or the app. Go to Accounts, select your account. BSB, first 6 digits, and account number are shown under Account Details. Bank Statements. Check any recent Westpac bank statement. BSB and account number are usually displayed at the top. Telephone banking. Call Westpac self-service banking. Choose Other Services, option 5, BSB information. Customer service. Call 132142, choose option 3. Provide your details for confirmation. Thanks for watching.